Hello friends, today we are exploring features of iPhone. How to record screen in iPhone. So go to the control center, go to the setting, control center. In that we have to search screen recording and add it into the control center and just scroll down. You can find here screen recording. So now I am starting screen recording. It started. When it started, it shows here as in red. So whatever we do now onwards, it start recording of the screen. Whatever we do after that, it's record with voice. I will just show you the demo. We'll go to the YouTube and here we'll play the video here. Now I'm playing this video. Okay. I will stop the recording. Here we are see recording is stopped and now I'm play that recording. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.